Izakaya. It's like a Japanese style pub. You can have plenty of beer and all different type of casual meal. Everything goes very well with beer. I could say Izakaya is like the coolest culture in Japan. So I'm going to show you how to make Izakaya menu at your home. Today, I'm going to make Nikujaga. It's like a meat and potato stew. It's traditional Japanese home cooking. And I also cook deep fried tofu with savory sauce. Let's get started. We're gonna use 400 grams of shaved meat, 2 or 3 potatoes, 1/2 carrots, 1 onion, snow peas. We also use 400 cc of water, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of mirin, 4 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of dashi stock as the seasonings. I'm gonna start by chopping the carrots and potatoes. I use the chemical-free vegetables, so I'm not gonna peel the skin because the skins are rich in nutrients. But if you don't use the chemical-free veggies, you better peel the skins. Chop the potatoes and carrots into large pieces. Cut an onion in half vertically. Peel onion and cut it into large pieces. Cut off the stem of the snow peas. Warm some oil. Stir fry the meat before putting veggies into the pot. Add onions, carrots, potatoes into the pot and cook over a medium heat for a few moments. Add the water, soy sauce, mirin, sake, sugar, and dashi stock. Mix it and bring to the boil. Add snow peas, then cover with a lid and cook over medium-low heat for 15 minutes simmering. While cooking the nikujaga, let's cook the deep-fried tofu. We're gonna use 2 deep-fried tofu, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, ginger, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1/2 green onion, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Cut deep-fried tofu into halves. Cut green onion into fine pieces. Grate ginger with a grater and put it in a bowl. Mix soy sauce, water, vinegar, sugar, and sesame oil in another bowl. Heat it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Add green onion and ginger into the bowl and mix. Heat the frying pan over medium heat. Fry deep-fried tofu until crisp. flip it over and cook the other side. Put it nicely on the plate. Dress the savory sauce you made over the deep fried tofu. Now let's check the Nikujaga in the pot. After 15 minutes, open the lid and stir the pot. Simmer for a further 5 minutes without the lid. Alright, today's my dinner is ready. Prepare your own beer. Kanpai! Cheers! First, I'm gonna eat Nikujaga. Itadakimasu. So next, I'll try this deep fried tofu. You can get a lot of protein from here. Itadakimasu. This sauce is very appetizing. It's so good. And very good with beer. Both dishes are so good. If you want to try Japanese home cooking, please try it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Kanpai. Actually, I finished it.